the waterfall, coming out of the mountain. And now we got the team. Whoa, this is so beautiful here. Hey guys, I'm here in Turkey, Cappadocia, and I just wanted to invite you. 2026 we're gonna be doing our top to bottom South America tour, 62 days from Cartagena to Ushuaia. We are doing it in 2025 from January to March as well, but it's been sold out, so I'm inviting you to start getting planning now, because in 2 years, October 15 to December 15, 2026, we will repeat it. 62 days, top to bottom South America. You should be on that trip. I'm telling you, that is the one to be on. This is the ground zero of Cappadocia, with all the balloons flying. That's the one we're going up in just a little while, so yay! If you're not scared of heights. Look at the guy down there, he's getting smaller. We're not the last. Second to last. Second to last. Okay, boys and girls, we made it up in the air. Yep. Right here in Cappadocia. Cappadocia.
Yeah, we rode around. It's just coming in for the land. Yeah, that was terrible.
We're about to land, I think.
Yeah,
almost getting there.
Reno.
Yeah. A bunch of them are landing, so I think we're going down there as well. Okay, we're coming up on the waterfall. We just had a nice fish lunch, freshwater fish lunch. And now we'll stop for 5 minutes at the waterfall before we have 40-some kilometers of dirt up ahead. That should be fun. Okay, so here we are at the waterfall, coming out of the mountain. Check that out. Right there, making a beautiful clear river. We had lunch just down at the bottom there. Nice farmed fish, a little tank. But that's pretty cool. Now we're gonna hit the dirt. Let's do it. Okay, waterfall done. It was a quick stop because we are already at 2:15 and we got almost 50 kilometers dirt and then 100-kilometer pavement. So we would like to get in around 5 o'clock to enjoy the hot springs at our hotel. So let's do this. Snow on the top of the mountains be in the background. Hello girls and boys. And we're getting back into another beautiful canyon. Yeah, that is a cool looking mountain we're going across. There's people doing picnics. We're about to hit the dirt, going up over the pass to that canyon. Looks nice. Everybody's getting ready, taking off ABS, and now we got the team ready to go. All right, here we go. Dirty dirt. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dust clouds out there. Let them get a little bit ahead so I don't have to eat so much dust. This is a nice mountain range. Whoa, this is so beautiful here. Whoa. I think we're going up over that ridge over there in front of us. It looks like there's a little village up there as well. Here we got the whole gang waiting at the viewpoint. Nice. Beautiful area. Very nice view. Wow. That is a town, if I ever saw one. At least it looks like they can be waterproof in there. That's more than those bamboo and whatnot huts in South America. All kinds of plastics and wood and what they can find. Oh, we're down in the forest. We've come off the high mountain pass, or we're coming down from it, but we've come so far down that we're in the forest. There's a little creek here alongside. But this is fun roads. This is very similar to Colombian roads that I've been riding for so many years. So this is fun. And we've picked up pace a little bit. That's nice. Almost 4 o'clock. So I guess we should be done with the dirt pretty soon. And then it will be time for 100 kilometers of pavement. Hopefully it'll be warmer out in the sun, because it's gotten chilly here now, 13 degrees. Because the sun is not out. Dusty trails again here. Coming through the lower parts of the mountain. And then we meet a car. Hello. Very strange. Strange indeed. Yeah, we are back on pavement. We just went over that mountain pass, or that mountain ridge over there. now we're making our way, I would say west, southwest, as we are heading to our hot springs and hotel for tonight. Probably around another 100 clicks. And we're 4:17, so it's gonna be 5:30-ish probably before we're in, I imagine. Okay, this is an awesome road. Small 2-lane curvy road. What a long day. We made it in. It's, yeah, I think 6 something. A lot of dust and dirt. It's nice to arrive at a hotel with a thermal hot springs down in the basement. So that's where we're going right now to wash off all this. Then get some food and a beer. And then right to more to see you. Another canyon city, and we're gonna go in here and get lunch. There's always something about arriving on the beach. I love it.